Hello, and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin seems to be resetting its way 4. Would have been too easy to break down straight away, right? So yeah, it is, however, still in resistance. So 26,450 is resistance. I did highlight to you everything can happen in here, and it still would be counted a wave 4 as long as we stay below 26,450. So, however, in this scenario, it should be finished now. If it's not, then we're dealing with a high B wave that we talked about in the previous videos. Now, in each scenario at the moment, it would likely still be considered as a corrective rally, Just a high B wave would be a more substantial corrective rally to the upside. And the wave 4 is a shallow one with one more low to come. Whereas, as I said, the high B wave here, would also be a corrective rally and would just delay that sell-off ultimately, okay? So if we're dealing here with a high B wave, then we're obviously not finished with the move to the upside, and it would push above 26,450. But I mean, all I can do is highlight resistance, and either it holds or it doesn't. And if it holds, then we should get our fifth wave to the downside. That's still what I primarily look for. But obviously, it's now at a key decision point, key inflection point, and if it pushes higher than today's high, we are likely moving up in a high B wave. If we're dealing with a high B wave, then I would like to give you now already relevant support that you know what the microstructure here would look like. We would have started a wave 1 from here, a wave 2 pullback. This would likely be a third wave, and a fourth and a fifth. That would all be within a C wave. And could just be the wave 1 within that B wave, because it would be a larger A, B, C. So we can decipher that more tomorrow if we know if that 26,450 level is breaking or not. At the moment, it hasn't broken, and therefore we want to take a look now just as, okay, what does it need to do to push higher? So first of all, or let me actually put that, I will put that into the green wave count as well as the high B wave is. So if the 1-2 setup is finished, then this third wave, should have reached the 1.618 extension level. That's not complete. So ideally, if we're dealing really with a high B wave, then first of all, price should continue to move higher here to at least 26,680 at some point. Then we should get a wave 4 pullback and get one more high in the wave 5. All of that is unlikely to happen until tomorrow. I mean, it can push higher in the third wave easily, but the wave 4 and the wave 5 will take a little bit of time. So this is what we need to watch imminently. And what is relevant support? Relevant support against which price can now move higher. It is the 50% FIB level, basically the 26K level, Whatever Bitcoin is doing, if it wants to push higher, 26K is support. 26K is support. Below that level, basically, the trapdoor opens, okay? And the green wave count, again, it will be difficult. This is also the wave 1 high, basically, right? So basically, that's the level where the trapdoor opens, 26K. Then it should follow through to the downside. But, this is, as I said in the previous video, this is just the price action that Bitcoin uses to surprise, okay? These whipsaw movements, this quick up and down, that's crypto, but that's all can easily happen within corrective rallies. So 26K is micro support. Against micro support, price can move higher in 5 waves. We won't know, I guess, until tomorrow if we get those 5 waves. Surely it can push above resistance, but a rally above resistance, if it's still just a 3-wave move, it wouldn't change much. Eventually, you need to understand that as soon as price breaks below 26K, this breakout is failed. I think that's sort of how to frame it. But we are still most likely in a corrective pattern. Nothing has changed. Yes, we have maxed out resistance. If we break above resistance, it would still likely be a corrective rally, just a different interpretation of the chart. And as soon as we see something more bullish is going on, I will, of course, let you know. Obviously, if it forms, in whatever weird way a 5-wave move, a solid 5-wave move to the upside that indicates that a lasting low has been established here, I will let you know. But this looks unlikely. Yeah, it's just an unlikely bottoming structure here. So yeah, let's see. I mean, zooming out, not much happened. We haven't even broken out of the range here yet. But if it happens, then we're likely dealing with the high B wave. I mentioned to you before what I do if we get a higher B wave. I will just take some profits of the positions that I bought down here. Or just when the market makes money available, I want to take some profits, and then if we go down lower, I will add some more positions. Spot positions only, doing a bit of a lazy way here of dealing with this and just adding to my core position basically. Yeah, that's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.